morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are gonna be taking a look at Nasdaq trading US 100 micro economies. Go ahead and remove the majority of yesterday's info. Right now we are in yesterday's London session, which I'm pretty sure is gonna get respected because we've been very bullish after, of course, Monday. Tuesday was very bullish. Today we're seeing a little retracement. I'm gonna jump to the 1 hour. Start doing our TAs. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys have been having a safe trading week. It's been up and down for me. A lot of things happening behind the scenes, but nevertheless, we are trading every single morning. We are here putting in the work. Okay, so I'm up here, rejected. See what the markets offer us today, if anything. Give me a second, pulling up Forex Factory. That's high impact news. 1 o'clock and we'll get it going. Now all the way to London low. High point of interest area. Give me a sec. Let me see what's going down. That's what we was waiting for. New York opening. That'll happen. I'm gonna put buy limit order around. Go for 310s. I'm gonna put a stop loss. $200 risk. Why does it say 53? This market's gonna open and freaking do its thing. I know we've been trending low, but we should be seeing a reversal pretty soon. I want to make sure this is right. It is a little risky going in with the buy limit order here, but we got 2 minutes till market opening. I already claimed London is low. 43 points. I don't like 43. Be comfortable with do 33 points around here. Plus around here. See if we could get bought in. Going with the buy limit order. Going counter towards current short-term selling trend. If you look right here on the 15-minute, been bearish for a bit. I'm hoping to get wicked in this buy order. There is a potential market leaves me. Just gonna be patient. Hopefully market wicks us soon. If not, we'll see how it plays out and then go from there. Risking 33 points. Grab this and then this. No, I don't want to clean this guy up. The market's going without me, bro. That's why I hate buy limit orders, bro. I don't have the patience for them to get bought in, man. Could have literally done a market execution and bought my market without us, boys. If we are gonna get a pullback, it's just we have to see when to wait for it to happen. That's unfortunate. Hate when that happens, but it happens. Name of the game. Man, that is so unfortunate, bro. I am a little sour. You know, sellers want to step in here. This 6:30 opening, 5 minutes into this big ass 15-minute candle. Should be pushing low for now. Show you what's gonna happen. Patient. Got an order block in here. Whatever goes up fast has to come down, bro. You guys seen this was my trade idea. Didn't get bought in. Get the reversal anytime now. Alright. Wow, that's crazy, bro. We would have been up 1,168. London's liquidity coming in. Sellers are gonna step in pretty soon. I'll show you. This is a stronger sell side zone. 100% stronger zone. Adding one more con up there. Telling you, bro, when you got experience in these markets, you already know how they're gonna act, react, certain zones, certain areas. I know this risk is pretty big, but you're gonna see it short. Especially how it's reacting off of this zone. Just broke out of this range. That one whole trade. This was the first trade idea we were in. 1,600 basically. I mean $1,100 with the market execution. But we don't do buy limit orders. We don't get entered in our orders, man. And if not, fuck. 40 points from current position. Don't want to see that P&L go to 500. Getting the resistance we were looking for at this area. We did take majority of the trade a little bit too early. See, these moves happen all the time, bro. If you have the experience in the market, you already know how it's going to react to these certain levels, certain areas. Look at that, bro. We had the buy order literally exactly where market went. Funny, that's how trading is, man. It happens instantly. Like, you really gotta. We're gonna see what's up with this short. Double top, essentially, in the 1 minute chart. Saying, come back, enter in, close the current short. Is annoying me. Market literally didn't even want to breathe on my freaking buy order versus stepping in. Buy side taken. London mid. It's my push up. Might go to London high. It's debating. I don't like the way that 3 minute closed, but I'm taking 2 cons off. Fuck, man. This is not good. Fumbled. Gonna keep going high. Just gonna want to take out London highs, man. We're done for the day, bro.